Hey guys, some of you might be renting your water heaters, paying up to 35 bucks a month, wasting your money, throwing it out the window. What if I told you between $35 to $40 a month, you can own your own high efficiency furnace, heat pump, and tankless water heater? No contracts, pay as you go. Let me tell you a little bit about how it works. You're gonna get savings between $600 to $1,200 annually. Right now, there's a program available through the government, low interest loan, which allows for you to take advantage of all of these wonderful things. Do you qualify for this? Let's find out. Do you live in Toronto? Is it your primary residence? If both of these are true, likely you do qualify. Up to $7,500 in rebates, plus that loan I mentioned, $125,000 on approval. So, do the right thing for yourself, for your home, and for the environment. Reduce your carbon footprint, enjoy the savings, enjoy the comfort. We're happy to share all the details with you. Give us a call, click on the link above.